Hi, this is Raghav, and today I am with you to show you the route to the Greenwoods Township in Bellavi village from Marthali. Before I take you there, I am quickly showing you the various routes which will take us to the Greenwoods Township. But before watching this video, I suggest you to watch our other detailed video, Greenwoods Access and Nearby Landmarks, to understand this locality well and distances from various landmarks. That will get you more clarity while I am taking you through those roads in this particular video. What you see here is the simplified version of the Greenwoods location map and different roads which leads to this place. This is Greenwoods Township in Bellavi village. If you are coming from KR Puram, you can come in the NH4 and continue till the Hoskote and take the right turn in Hoskote Malur State Highway till the Chokkanhalli gate, and there we need to take the left turn and reach the Greenwoods Township. Another alternative road is continue on NH4 and just before MVJ Hospital take the right turn via Dandupalya, Kolattur, Solur, Appasandra, Doddadenahalli and reach the Greenwoods Township. One more alternative road is continue in NH4 till Mylapore gate and take the right turn and touch the Malur-Hosur ring road at Toranahalli and continue via Doddadenahalli and reach the Greenwoods Township. Otherwise, we can continue in NH4 till Chikkanhalli gate just before the Volvo factory and take that Malur-Hosur road and reach the Greenwoods Township. If you are going from Marthali or Whitefield, we need to take the Whitefield double road via Kadigudi and touch the NH4 and then take the right turn to go towards Hoskote top. After crossing Hoskote, we can take any of those four alternative roads to reach Greenwoods. The shortest road is via Kolattur and Appasandra and it is around 36 kilometers from Marthali. That is the road we are going to take now to reach Greenwoods. If we take Hoskote Malur State Highway, we need to cover 3.5 kilometers more compared to the shortest road. If we take NH4 and go via Chikkanhalli gate and Toranahalli, we need to cover 6 kilometers more to reach Greenwoods. Okay, with this understanding, let us start our journey today from Marthali Junction to Greenwoods Township. Now we are at Marthali Junction, just after the flyover towards the Whitefield, which is our starting point of our trip. To help you understand the route and distances better, I am taking the help of my car's navigation system and the trip meter visuals. As you can see here, the navigation is set to Greenwoods Township in Bellavi and the trip meter is set to 0. Our right side is Vattur Lake and the right side road what we see here is coming from Gunjur and Vattur. The people who is coming from Sajjapur road, this is the shortest and they can join here. We have covered 3.8 kilometers so far and continuing in the north direction towards Kadigudi and Satya Sai Baba Ashrama. We are continuing on the Whitefield road and crossing Forum Mall on the right hand side. We have covered 4.1 kilometers so far. We have reached O Forum Circle on Whitefield road. We are continuing straight towards NH4 via Kadigudi. If we go left, we can reach ITPL in around 2 kilometers. If we take right here, we have an alternative route to Greenwoods Township via Channasandra, IOC Road, Wagata, and we can join Hoskote Malur State Highway at Jariganahalli village. We are crossing Satya Sai Baba Ashramam on the right hand side and moving towards NH4. We have around 6 kilometers to cover to reach NH4. We are approaching NH4 in this double road called as Whitefield Road. This area is well developed with various villas, row houses and apartments on the both sides of the road. We have covered 11.9 kilometers so far and 3.2 kilometers to reach NH4. We are crossing Vibjar International School on the right hand side and approaching NH4. This is one of the famous schools in Bangalore. We are just 770 meters away from NH4. We need to take next right turn in NH4 towards Hoskote. If we go left, will be taking us to KR Puram. What you see here is the Whitefield double road from where we reach this place. We already took the right turn towards Hoskote and parked our vehicle here. From this place, Hoskote is hardly around 3 kilometers distance. This is 8-lane road including the service roads. The people whoever comes from KR Puram would be coming from this side and continuing on NH4 towards Hoskote. We have covered around 15 kilometers so far in this trip. What we see here is Hoskote tollgate on NH4. After this tollgate, we need to go over the first flyover and take the left service road near second flyover. Near the next flyover, NH207 is intersecting with NH4, and that is very useful road for this locality, which connects between Devanahalli and Hosur and intersects both NH4 and Sajjapura road. Now we are in the Hoskote town. Here we have two alternative roads to reach Greenwoods Township. The first one is where we can take the left side service road here and take the immediate right turn to take either Hoskote Malur State Highway or Kolattur and Appasandra road. The second one is where we can go straight in NH4 for almost 13 kilometers from here to reach Chikanahalli gate just before the Volvo factory and then take the right turn towards Malur via Toranahalli to reach the Bellavi village. The first one is shorter and we have opted to go in this route. The second one is around 6 kilometers longer than the first one. However, you can enjoy the highway drive. Now we are in the left side service road and about to take the right turn under the bridge. The left side road what we see here goes to Chintamani. Now we are on the right side service road where the Hoskote Malur State Highway would start. Again we have two alternative routes to reach Greenwoods Township from here. The first one is via Dandupalya, Kolattur, Appasandra and Doddadenehalli and reach Bellavi village. And the second one is take Hoskote Malur State Highway and go via Jadiganahalli, Chokkandahalli gate and take left turn towards Bellavi village. The second one is little longer of 3.5 kilometers from this place to reach Greenwoods Township. Hence we are taking Kolattur and Appasandra road to reach the place. Both the roads are in good condition and will be widened soon. Particularly Hoskote Malur State Highway will be widened to 80 meters very soon. Just to talk little more about Hoskote town, this locality is coming up nicely as it is already declared as a satellite town to Bangalore Metro. Also, the proposed Bangalore-Chennai industrial corridor will drive major developments in these surroundings. The road we see on the right hand side is what we are taking now to go via Dandupalya, Kolattur and Appasandra. The MVJ Super Specialty Hospital is little further on NH4 just few meters away. We have covered around 21 kilometers so far and around 15 kilometers away from Greenwoods Township in Bellavi village. We have crossed Dandupalya, Kolattur, Solur and going towards Doddadenehalli via Appasandra. This road is Major District Road MDR as per Public Works Department PWD office records who maintains these roads. That means it is 50 meters wide road and it will be widened soon. There are multiple buses running between Bangalore and Malur via this road and which goes through Bellavi village. And also this locality is having very good train connectivity. As you understand, we have various alternative roads to reach Greenwoods Township. One good thing is we have all straight roads to easily follow the direction. Now we are getting close to the Bellavi village. Here we need to take the right turn to go via Doddadenahalli to reach Bellavi, and it is hardly around 2 kilometers distance to cover. If we go left here, we will be reaching NH4 at Chikanahalli gate. The people who continued on NH4 till Chikanahalli gate, they would be reaching this place via Thoranahalli. So far we covered 15 kilometers in Whitefield double road, then for 6 kilometers in NH4, and now around 13 kilometers we have covered in the Kolattur Appasandra straight road. Now we have reached Doddadenahalli village. The current road in which we are in now is called Devanahalli Malur Osur Ring Road. This is a major district road MDR as per Public Works Department government records. This road will be widened in near future to 50 meters wide. This road connects between NH4 at Chikanahalli gate to Hoskote Malur State Highway at Chokkandahalli gate. Now we need to take the next left turn just after the small shelter what we see in the screen to go to the Bellavi village. We just need to go for 350 meters in that road to reach Greenwoods Township. If we go straight for around 500 meters, we will be reaching Bangalore-Chennai Express Highway intersection point for this road. If we go further straight, we will be reaching Malur town via Chokkandahalli gate in 5 kilometers distance. I think you might have already noticed by this time all the roads which we took and the alternative roads like Hoskote Malur State Highway, all of them are wide roads with at least 50 meters width to reach Greenwoods Township. Now we are on the Bellavi village road. It is 50 feet wide road. I think around 150 families are living in this village. The current road condition is good. Finally we have reached our destination point, Greenwoods Township in Bellavi village. What we see on the left side of the road where the Greenwoods Township entrance is coming up, it is surrounded by the existing houses from the Bellavi village. The car trip meter is showing that we have covered 36.2 kilometers to reach Greenwoods from Marthalli, and it is less than a kilometer from Bangalore-Chennai Express Highway. Please visit us at www.nsrventures.in for more information and the latest updates about this project. Thanks for viewing this video. I hope this video helped you to get a good understanding on accessibility and route to Greenwoods.